Hi, just a quick little video about this 18650 lithium ion cell that's not really taking a charge. What I find interesting about it is, I don't know if you can hear this, but listen to this. If you shake it up and down, it feels like something's shaking around in there. You know, like one of those torches that you shake to charge them up where the magnet swings past the coil? That's what it actually feels like. So I thought, since it's not taking a charge, I might as well carefully take it apart and see what the story is. Be careful when taking apart lithium ion batteries, because once the inside of them is exposed to air or moisture, they go up in flames, and the flames can't be really stopped until it burns itself out. But I think, judging by the way this is shaking around, that the battery is actually inside this casing somehow. So I think it's a battery within a battery. And this one is rated at 5,000 milliamp hours, 3.7 volts. Try and get this outer jacket off. Okay, outer jacket's off. Also be careful not to short lithium ion out. Okay, so it looks like the only part I can open is the top can. That actually sounded like pressure being released. Every video I've seen on lithium ion batteries tells me this is a bad idea. Okay, so if I compare it to the size of the can, it did have some maneuverability, because the top of the can is, if I line up the bottom of the cell and the bottom of the can, the top of the can is there, so you got a bit of gap, so they didn't use the full capacity. Don't try this at home. I'm sure this battery is fairly discharged anyway. Okay, so here we got a few different layers. I'm sure there are the videos by EEV blog and things like that that they have dissected these batteries as well. I'm not supposed to be wearing gloves. Maybe. At least it hasn't burst into flames. So there's those layers and this layer. And this is already degrading. I think this is degrading. Normally it would have caught up into flames if it was bad. I do get the smell of the cell, but it is actually quite strong. But that was just a quick little teardown of a cell that I knew didn't have much capacity or much charge. No flame or anything like that, so no fun fireworks and things like that. That's a pity. Oh well. Let me turn it fade. Let me put a bit of water on it. I think moisture is what causes the reaction, isn't it? Yep. Pity. No big flames, no sparks or anything like that, no smoke. I'm seeing bubbling on this bottom strip. Okay, so I hope you liked this little video, even though it was a non-event really. If you did find it interesting for some reason, please give it a thumbs up. and click the subscribe button and the little bell icon if you want to be notified whenever a new video comes up on my channel, because there are newer videos and they're a lot more interesting, much more interesting than this one. Cheers.